In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads lead form assets effectively by following some best practices. Let's dive right in and make sure we're making the most out of our Google Ads potential, shall we? First things first, you need to navigate your way over to Google Ads. This is the hub of where the magic starts. Once there, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed. Clicking on that will direct you to the page where you can log in with your credentials. Make sure you have them handy, as seamless access means you'll be setting up these useful tools in no time. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. It's here that you start your journey into creating assets that will help drive leads to your business. This page serves as your control center, allowing you to navigate through all of Google's advertising functionalities. Next, you're going to want to locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This is typically located on the left sidebar of the interface. Within the Campaigns section, you manage advertising campaigns and get insights into performance metrics and make adjustments as needed to optimize your advertising efforts. Navigating through this dashboard is essential to ensuring your campaigns are set up correctly and running smoothly. As we move forward, the next step involves pinpointing the Assets section. With a click, you'll find yourself in an area dedicated to managing all sorts of creative assets associated with your campaign. Here, the focus shifts from creation to management. It's important to fill this space with engaging and captivating materials that represent your business or service accurately. Once in the Assets section, the opportunity arises to create new content. At the top of this section, you'll notice a button inviting you to create asset. Clicking here offers a plethora of options. This functionality permits you to enter the exciting process of adding new content which will appear in your ads. Now, among the list of assets, locate the lead form. Lead forms can be instrumental in gathering information directly from potential customers who interact with your ads. They simplify the process of capturing leads by making it easy and enticing for users to submit their contact information or any other relevant details you need. Utilizing Google Ads lead form assets can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. Remember to keep your forms straightforward, concise, and visually appealing to maximize engagement and ensure that potential leads find the form easy and inviting to complete. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to effectively using Google Ads lead form assets. Go ahead and start incorporating these steps into your advertising strategy to see tangible improvements in your campaign performance. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.